a museum located at Ayala Malls by the Bay. This is the newest attraction, guys, that you can visit, which is very near Samoa. Napakadaming ganap na pwedeng gawin. There are different immersive arts that you can experience, such as the Teleport Gallery, very interactive, multisensory, of course, aesthetic, and shareable. So, sabi nga sa commercial, imagination mo na lang talaga ang limit, guys. Tingnan mo naman tong mga to. Oh, kids at heart. So, ano pang inaantay nyo, guys? Book a museum this coming holidays. Bata, matanda, sure mag-enjoy talaga sa technology-driven na museum nito. Tingnan mo naman, papahuli ba tayo? OOTD tayo kung OOTD. So, that's what I suggest. Enjoy each room and part of this museum. Ang kagandahan is meron silang big screen that I enjoyed so much where you can draw sa car and put name on it, tapos magfa-flash yun sa screen. Super enjoy ko yun. You can watch it on my other short video here on TikTok. Ayan, talon-talon pa nga ako. This is located at 3rd floor, Ayala Malls by the Bay. For operating hours, check nyo na lang yung page nila, guys. And for more places to visit, just like, follow, or subscribe. Again, this is Ann Sabe. We'll try to give you more trending topics, places to visit. So, see you again next time. Ciao!